When a cough, scratchy throat, or a stuffy nose has you feeling miserable, sometimes you just want something warm and soothing. This old-fashioned hot toddy combines lemon, honey, warming spices, and traditionally a splash of brandy into one comforting evening drink. For one serving, you'll need a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 to 3 whole cloves, 1.5 cups of water, and 1 ounce of brandy, whiskey, or dark rum. Lemons provide vitamin C, while cloves contain aromatic compounds used for sore throat and respiratory comfort. Warm water will keep you hydrated and can help loosen mucus, while the traditional brandy will add warmth and temporarily soothe your sore throat. Cinnamon brings antioxidants and warming comfort. And honey is also great for the throat, and it can also help calm coughing. Start by bringing 1.5 cups of water to a boil. And while that's heating, wash your lemon and cut approximately 1/4 from one end. Remove the seeds, then take 2 to 3 cloves and press them into your lemon peel. To make it easier on yourself, you can take a small knife or toothpick and pre-poke holes into the lemon peel before placing the cloves inside. Your finished result will look about like this. Place your lemon half with the cloves into your mug. You'll want to place the cloves down so that they can be fully submerged in the water. Then you're going to juice the remaining lemon directly into your mug. Be sure to remove the seeds. Alternatively, you can pour the lemon juice into a fine mesh strainer to remove all of the pulp and seeds. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of honey to your mug. Then pour in your 1.5 cups of hot water. Give everything a good stir, making sure that the cloves are fully submerged. If the lemon isn't too hot, you can squeeze the remaining juice back into the mug. Finally, stir in 1 fluid ounce of brandy. You can also use whiskey or dark rum if that's what you have on hand. Let your beverage cool until it's comfortably warm, then sip slowly and enjoy. Because this version contains alcohol, stick with 1 serving and don't combine it with medications that interact with alcohol. And make every serving fresh rather than preparing a large batch at once. For the non-alcoholic version, simply leave out the brandy and make the rest of the recipe exactly the same. You'll still get a warm, soothing combination of lemon, honey, cinnamon, cloves, and hydration.